Conventional wisdom says moderation, but some cutting-edge research suggests complete sexual abstinence can be the most effective initial strategy for regaining control. Brain scans reveal that starving lust can temporarily dampen reward pathways, reducing cravings in the short term. But does this approach lead to long-term success, or does it trigger a rebound effect? Let's look at what happens in your brain when you feel sexual desire. The hypothalamus, a small but important part of your brain, is like the command center for your libido. It sends signals to the pituitary gland, which then releases hormones that affect your gonads, your testes or ovaries. These hormones, like testosterone and estrogen, play a big role in your sexual drive. But it's not just about hormones. Neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers in the brain, are also involved. Dopamine is released when you experience pleasure, reinforcing the behavior. Serotonin can help regulate your mood and may play a role in inhibiting sexual impulses. Oxytocin and vasopressin are linked to bonding and attachment, influencing your desire for intimacy. So what happens when you try to starve your lust? In the short term, studies suggest that abstinence can reduce the sensitivity of your reward system. This means that the things that usually trigger your cravings might not have the same effect. It's like turning down the volume on your desires. You are using your willpower and self-control to suppress those urges. However, this isn't always a long-term solution. For some people, suppressing their desires can lead to a rebound effect. It's like holding a beach ball underwater. Eventually, it will pop back up with even more force. The craving becomes more intense due to repression of urges, which creates more craving and addiction. There are also psychological factors to consider. Your past experiences, thoughts, and emotions all play a role in your sexual behavior. Trauma, anxiety, depression, and stress can all influence your sexual desire. Shame and guilt related to sex can also be powerful drivers. Instead of just suppressing your desires, you could try other approaches. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, can help you change your thought patterns and behaviors. Psychotherapy can help you explore the underlying issues that may be contributing to your struggles. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with sexuality is unique. Your sexual orientation, gender identity, cultural background, and personal values all shape your desires and behaviors. What works for one person may not work for another. Research in this area also raises some important ethical questions. It's crucial to ensure that studies are conducted with informed consent, privacy, and confidentiality. We need to understand how cultural norms, values, and beliefs influence behavior, and what effect social pressure, social stigma, and social expectations have on the topic. Manipulation and coercion should never be part of any intervention. Many questions remain unanswered. How do genetics influence sexual desire? What are the best ways to prevent relapse after a period of abstinence? How can we promote healthy sexual expression while also addressing issues like sexual addiction and exploitation? These are important areas for future research. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to keep watching such amazing videos. We hope this has given you a better understanding of this complicated topic. Thanks for watching.